Welcome to the channel, Crypto DNA. Today we are going to provide some market analysis. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Here are the top 5 crypto market indicators. Number 5. Futures open interest. When this rises, there are more active positions in Bitcoin futures, suggesting greater capital inflows. This is a bullish signal that indicates the positive trend should strengthen. Number 4. Bitcoin sentiment indicator. It is currently at 1, which is the maximum bullish level, given the underlying data collected from Twitter, Reddit, and Bitcoin Talk. Number 3. The Bitcoin mining hash rate. It is now 356 million terahashes per second. The higher the hash rate, the more computing power in the network. Rising hash rate, miner profitability, and network difficulty are all bullish signals for Bitcoin. Check the description for the latest deals and promotions. You can also visit our website for more content, merchandise, and other special offers. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Number 2. Bitcoin held on exchanges. This tends to increase when institutional investors and whales are depositing crypto in their exchange accounts to sell, which drives the price lower. However, the balance has declined from 2.62 to 2.27 million BTC, which is a bullish signal, suggesting fewer sellers on exchanges. Number 1. Whale accumulations. There were 130,000 BTC ingested at $26,833. This indicates the prices at which whales are buying Bitcoin. Whales are classified as wallet addresses that hold over 100,000 BTC,